Hi, we're going to start the exercises today with a stretch for the lower back. We're going to put the lower back in rotation, lie on our back, and then we'll bring our knee up to 90 degrees. The arm from the same side of the knee can extend to the side. And then with our opposite arm, we're going to take our knee and we're going to turn it in the other direction. We'll keep going until we feel a stretch in our lower back, and then we'll hold that position for 30 seconds. We're going to do the other side now, and note that the head should look towards the arm that's extended out to add rotation from the upper to the lower back. Now we're going to do what I call the cobra, and this is a great stretch for your lower back. It helps the lower back go in extension. We're going to go on our stomach, and then we're going to put our arms at about our shoulder height, and the back is not going to work. It's just going to be the arms that are pushing our back up, and we'll keep the hips on the floor, and we'll go up and down 10 times. Nice. It's a bit of an arm workout as well. Now we're going to do a similar exercise, but we're going to make the cobra more for the upper back and less for the lower back. We're going to lie on our stomach. And this time we're going to extend our arms forwards. And then when we push up, we're going to keep our belly button on the floor. It's more the upper back now doing the extension, and we'll do this 10 times. Awesome. We can finish off with some neck stretches. So we can warm up by rolling our shoulders forwards and back for 15 seconds. Now we'll use our arm to pull our head to the side. Can be uncomfortable, but it shouldn't be painful. And we'll do that for 20 seconds. Now let's do the other side for 20 seconds. a muscle that can cause a bit of tension in our neck is the upper trapezius. And to stretch it, we're going to use our arm to pull our head at a 45-degree angle, and then we'll rotate our head in the opposite direction, and we'll hold that for 20 seconds. You should feel a stretch in your upper neck, and you can change the direction or the tilt of your head until you feel that stretch. Let's try and stretch the other upper trapezius. We often tend to let our head fall forward. It can be interesting to do the reverse. And so it's called a chin tuck. We're going to keep our head straight and we're going to pull our chin in, kind of like doing a double chin in. We're going to make sure we're not looking up or down. And we're going to go back and forth 10 times. To finish off, we're going to hold that chin tuck position for 10 seconds. Once again, if at all possible, I'd encourage you 2 times per week to spend 5 minutes at work to redo the exercises you know helped you feel best. The next video will continue to get to know our body more. Hope to see you there.